Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Warzone on PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to search in Google Warzone download. Open that website and you need to click on battle.net.pc and here you can see that. Then you need to click on play for free. Once you click on that, you can see that in the downloads you will find the app that is Modern Warfare setup. You simply need to complete that setup, and once you complete that you will have this battle.net. You simply need to create a free battle.net account, and once you create an account you can easily select the country where you want, date of birth, continue, and once you create an account you simply need to log in here, and once you need log in here you simply need to download a game, and then you can enjoy that game on your PC. So this is the process by which you can download Warzone on PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.